Hello everybody, welcome back to another video on the channel today, and in today's video it's going to be the dog cam. So as you all aware, this is my dog Sanchez. She hasn't been cleaning up my room lately, and she's literally sniffing my room. So basically I'm just going to take all this rubbish off of my floor and put it straight in the bin for my puppy. So doggy, would you introduce yourself to the video? So,
hi guys, my name is Sanchez and I'm a Rottweiler dog. I love to be in this room. Look at me, I'm just sniffling away in this room, being a good doggy. I'm a Rottweiler. I don't want to name. I'm a Rottie. And yeah, I'm glad to be pleasured in this house.
yeah. So, I feed Sanchez every night, every day, every morning, and stuff like that. Every morning, every afternoon, and every night. She gets 3 meals a day. Done, yeah. So she gets her breakfast, she gets her lunch, and she gets her dinner, and then as a special treat, she gets a treat at nights. She basically doesn't have a treat at nights, but oh well, she's a good dog. I love my dog so much. I love my dog so much that I could literally care for this dog. Look at her sleeping away. Good doggy. Let's get swifty. So yeah, this dog is a cute dog. I love this dog. I threw something at her and she just sniffed it. So I just that's better. So yeah. So I'm basically doing all the talking in this video, and then you're just seeing my dog. So tomorrow's video, guys, will be update on the farm. It'll be number 17. It'll be up on the farm. So I'm so glad to be back at the farm tomorrow. So stay tuned for the new video. That's gonna be coming out tomorrow. As you can see, doggy's absolutely knackered. She's tired. Cause she had 2 walks a day. She went 2 walks with me a day, so she's very tired. Look at her, she's literally resting. Come on, guys, this should get 10 likes and lots of views for this video. Come on, it's Sanchez, for God's sake. So she likes this way as well. Aww. She's absolutely knackered to the bone. She's just tired. And when she gets all excited, yeah, and when she gets all, no, lucky go, oh. But yeah. Oh, are you bleeding? Is that blood? No. Oh, hey, down. So there she is. She's just smelling my ground. Oi, you. Hey. Come on, go here. Ow. Doggy. There she goes again. She's just laid down, so that's fine. She's a good dog. She's looking at handshake. Handshake. No, not fucking. I'm not really poop. There's the dog's nose, guys. Here we are. She's literally smelling my room. You can just look at her paw. Ha, so cute. Anyway, come on, Sanchez. Better get your lie down here. Oh, hee. She doesn't like being growled at, but oh well. Hey, stop sniffling my cables. Get back here. Come on. Alright, no. Lie down. No. Lie down. Come on out. Lie down. She's such a good doggy. I love this dog. Lie down or I'll shoot you. Come here. Nah, no. Leave the chips. Leave the puck. Guys, look at the dog. What are you doing? Sanchez! Hey! 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 Get away from that. What are you eating? Oi! She's literally spectating my room. Hey! Come here! Sanchez, come here! Get over here. She's literally spectating my room. What are you, the Hoover? What are you, the Hoover? Come here. Come here, you. Come on. Come here. We'll come and show the views. Come on in. There she is. Aww. Look how adorable her face is. Want to say anything else to the views? Look how adorable she is. She's just one of a kind. Anyway, we've got to say goodbye to the video, should we? Huh? Bye bye, guys. Hey, look up. Oh, she's just knackered. Hey, stop that. Come on. Look up. Look up. Look up. Come on. Good girl. Look at the video and then we'll say goodbye. It's goodbye from me and the puppy. You smell absolutely wonderful. Alright. Bye bye, guys. Bye bye, y'all. Oh, I love this puppy so much. Anyway, you sit down.